K-pop Demon Hunters is a movie that everyone is creating videos about on YouTube to make them go viral. So let's see how to jump into that trend and make a video that can grow your channel. In this video, I will show you one idea you might not have thought about for following the trend between your channel content and K-pop Demon Hunters. Even if they don't seem related at all, you can take this idea and use it however you like, and think about how to apply it to your own type of content. I have an abandoned channel that I have been thinking about for a long time to get back to and create new content for it. The idea of the channel is AI home design inspired. Most of the content I created was about different kinds of kitchens and living rooms. I passed 1,000 subscribers very fast. I think it took about 3 months to get there. But the problem was with the music. The idea was to create home design inspiration with music, but I got copyright claims that I couldn't remove even when I paid for a subscription because I used the whole song without adding narration or anything. I didn't want to add narration, so in this video, I am going to create image-based designs so I can put them all in a video, and then I am going to make music with AI so I don't need to worry about copyright claims. I am testing all the AI tools in Phygital Plus because I already have a subscription, and I want to recreate the living room style from K-pop Demon Hunters. Phygital Plus is a website where you can use different AI models for images, videos, and audio, so you can create everything in one place. You get credits every month, and on each node on the side, you can see how many credits it will cost to generate something with the AI model you choose. For this example, I'm going to use all of the nodes so you can see what each one can do. The best way for you is to stick with one model and work with it because the prompt you use can work differently with each model. But if you want to get a variety of images, you can use different models for this type of video. First, I need an image of the K-pop Demon Hunters living room. I just copied it from a YouTube clip. I am not going to use it as is, so I don't think it will have copyright problems. Then I put that image in the Phygital Plus canvas. Now, starting with Dream. To make the inspired image work, I connected it to the orange dot. Some of the tools can handle more than one image, and one tool, Imagen, can't handle anything. I also asked ChatGPT to write me the prompt for the image, and use the same prompt for all of the tools. But for better results, if you're going to use it to generate more images, it's a good idea to change the prompt from time to time to get more interesting living room ideas inspired by Huntrix's living room design. I also set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because I need it for a video. I got 2 images from Dream, and I didn't like either of them. You can see the results here. I decided to try all of the other tools to see which one is best for creating a K-pop living room. The first generated images didn't have a piano, so I asked ChatGPT to add that it needs to include a piano. I then tested all the other tools. Kriya did a nice job imitating the sofa, but I got 2 pianos. In Nano Banana, the living room looks pretty much the same as the original image, but I also got 2 pianos, and the second piano looks weird. From ChatGPT images, I got a very dark living room, but this is the closest to what I am looking for when creating the images. I think I just need to add that it should be brighter in the prompt. The next tool was Flux, which created a very dollhouse vibe image that I didn't like. Runaway image gave me some trouble because it didn't like the aspect ratio of the original image. I used the crop tool from the side and cropped it until it was good enough for the tool to start working. The results are pretty good, and I think I can use them in the video. Lastly, Ideogram didn't allow me to change the aspect ratio. The image is okay for this specific kind of content, but it is square, so I will need to crop it if I want to use it. So those are the results from all of the tools. For the kind of videos I make for the channel, I usually need at least 80 images to make it long enough. I will create more images and get back to you with the next step. After generating a few more images, I maxed out my credits on Phygital Plus, but I didn't want to wait until next month to get new credits to show you the next step. So let's download all the images I already generated. Click on any of the images and then click Save. On the side, you'll see all the images that are part of this project, and you can download them from there. Although the number of images I got from Phygital Plus isn't enough to make a long video, it's enough to understand the process if you want to make something similar for your channel. You can, of course, do it differently, or use the K-pop Demon Hunters movie as inspiration for another type of content. I'm going to make more videos like this for my old channel and see if it goes viral. You can subscribe to this channel to see the results. I'll also link my other channel so you can watch the other ideas I had for making videos with AI-generated images as inspiration for your own ideas. After downloading all of the images, let's go to Canva to edit them for free. Open a new project and choose the video option. You can create a short vertical video or a long horizontal one. I'm going to make a long video, then click Upload. To keep everything organized, I create a folder inside the Uploads under Media Files, and now I upload every image I get. Usually, when I make these kinds of videos, I delete images that are too repetitive or don't make any sense since they're generated by AI and not always exactly what we want. And if there are a few images that look too similar but still have something different, I mix them up by dragging the pages to new places in the video. This way, the video feels more dynamic and the similar images don't appear one after another. I also downloaded one of the songs I generated with GPT music that was inspired by the song Free from K-pop Demon Hunters, so I have music for the background. You can watch the video on how to do that. It's linked in the description and in the cards too. Next, open all of the images. You don't need to add new pages. Just click the images and they'll open in the project and fill the whole page. Move the images around so the video doesn't get boring, especially if you have similar ideas. Now, add transitions between them. Click the transition button, and on the left side, you'll see a list of possible transitions you can use in Canva. Click on any of them. Some have more settings where you can change position, direction, or duration. Play around with that. You can also apply one of the transitions to all pages by clicking here. Next, add the music to the timeline, and now comes the fun part. If you want the video to flow nicely, listen to the music and adjust the length of each page so it fits with changes in the music phrases. You can also add fade in and fade out effects and adjust their duration. For the ending, it's good to make it longer if the song finishes after the images. Once you're done, add another blank page at the end and make it black. The last transition should be dissolve, because it's the smoothest. You can also add a subscribe button somewhere in the video. Just go to the Elements tab, type subscribe, and choose one you like. You can even use an animated one. Now download the video, click share, and then download. Let's see what the final results look like for the new video.
Through the shadows I will run, chasing light.
You now have your video ready to upload to your channel. Of course, you can also do other edits, like adding narration to explain how to make this living room or get inspired by other movies.
Every step feels like a fight. Demons whisper in the night, but I feel you by my side. Holding me, you are my guide.
Even when the world is cold, we'll be stronger, we won't fall. We can rise, shining through the darkest skies. We are free, breaking chains inside. No more fear, no place to
Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.